Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share with you another new kit that I've made. This is another Travelers Notebook journal digital kit, and it has 14 pages in the kit. You get 6 Travelers Notebook pages, 4 pocket pages, 2 tag pages and 2 envelope pages, and I will just quickly show you the printed version that I've done. Obviously it will be listed in my shop. We'll put a link directly to this kit below if you're interested. So that's one of the pages. I'm calling it Rosa only because I thought it's better than just calling it something like you know, TN kit. So there's another page and another page. It's kind of got lots of flowers and butterflies. Another page. I just hope I'm in frame here. Yes, I am. Another page there with some lines on there. And another page, some script. This is a double pocket, or you can use them individually. You could layer that on top of that one. So there's 2 pages of them. Again, you can do the same. Keep them as they are, or double them up, layer them up. Then we have 2 corner pockets and 2 tags. Then we have 4 pockets here, 2 corner pockets and 2 pockets there with some butterflies. Then you have 6 tags and 3 jumbo tags. We have 2 envelopes, that one there. I've done that one sideways because it gives you the option to have it like, you know, like a top loading pocket, maybe round that way, if you know what I mean. And then this one here, which is just floral, and that is the kit. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. The links will be below. Thanks for watching. Bye.